Are you looking to lose your belly fat with simple and easy exercises? Today's video is the right choice for you because this video has helped a lot of people who've joined my weight loss program and they've seen tremendous results around their belly area, especially their side fat, their front fat, and definitely their overall body weight as well. It just helps in toning and tightening your abdominal muscles and give you great results, a slimmer waist. I know exactly where you're coming from when you make excuses, I'll do it tomorrow, and the exercises themselves are so strenuous and so difficult you don't feel like doing it on a daily basis. Then sometimes you have floor exercises which are so cumbersome and so strenuous you just can't continue. The easiest way to do your exercise is to do it in bed, the moment you wake up or before you go to bed. And the best part is, this is even for lazy days when you don't feel like exercising, you will still see results. Enough of chit chat. Now let's blast the belly fat with a simple and easy bed exercises. Let me show you exercise number 1. So now we're absolutely ready to start with the first exercise. We have to lay in bed like this. We have to keep our knees bent at about 90 degrees angle. As you can see, we're going to keep our hands over here on our thighs and we have to lift our neck upwards and take our arms all the way up to the knees, but very slowly and very controlled. When we come up, we have to exhale, hold it there. When we come back, we have to inhale, but we don't have to bend our neck. It should be absolutely straight. You don't have to do this. That's absolutely wrong. So let's do it together. The first exercise was targeting the central belly fat, but now we are aiming for the lower belly. So our legs are positioned at 45 degrees angle. Rest, everything is going to remain the same. You're going to put your hands on your thighs and take it all the way up. Hold it over there. There you can feel the stretch on your lower belly. And now back again. Let's do it together. Now let me show you exercise number 2. Now let's see exercise number 3. Now for the third exercise, it's again very simple. You have to keep your arms like this behind your neck. You have to bend your legs, but one leg has to be stretched outwards like this, and then bring it in all the way to your chest and then out again. So with this, you're able to support the other leg and it's so much easier to do it. But I'm going to show you 3 different variations. Let's do it together. Now let's do it with the other leg. Now let's do it with both the legs. This is an advanced version but so much more effective. Here comes exercise number 4. The fourth exercise is super easy. You have to lay like this with again your feet about 45 degrees angle, and then you have to put your hands behind your neck and bring it up diagonally with your elbow touching your knee. Like this. So when we come up, we have to exhale, and when we go down, we have to inhale. Let's do it together. Last but not the least, exercise number 5. The next exercise is again super easy but an advanced version. This is definitely going to make you feel that stretch around your whole belly area, and it's so good to aid your digestion as well. Let's do it together. It's very easy. You're going to support your hands under your hips. Stretch your legs outwards like this. Keep your neck on the floor and then lift your hips up like this. All the way. Use the support of your hands, and now come down back again. Let's do it together. So if you're looking for easy and sustainable results, you must pair these exercises with a clean eating habit. Now you can definitely replace your heavy fried foods, junk foods, processed foods with fresh home cooked meals. Even if it's just an oatmeal or just a porridge, it's way more healthier and way more filling, loaded with nutrients and vitamins to keep you full for longer. So make a wise choice, choose your food properly, and make sure to eat your meals with equal intervals. Do not starve the whole day and overeat at night, and that's what causes all the guilt. I suggest you follow a balanced meal along with these exercises to see absolutely stunning and fabulous results. Just the way many people have who all have joined my weight loss program, these exercises work wonders when paired with clean eating daily habits and just a little bit of more active level where you can actually get in at least 5,000 to 8,000 steps a day. It will really help you get with your overall metabolism. I'm sure you would have definitely benefited with this video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification. I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.